So this shape is called a Cretan Labyrinth, and it's also known as the fingerprint of the gods. So it does look like a fingerprint, and it dates back thousands and thousands of years. All ancient cultures all over the world have had Cretan labyrinths within them. We've seen them carved on cave walls, we've seen stone circles shaped in that shape, and even artwork today where people are recreating this shape. And it's amazing. It's like a portal between heaven and earth, and it literally channels all of the energy of the heavens into this one shape. So there's been stories and tales of where people used to walk through these labyrinths, a man and a woman, and they would walk through, get to the centre, and then they would find some kind of union or marriage, and then they would walk back out again. And this is like what they used to do as a tradition, is what the tales say. And people, you also say, when they walk through these and get to the centre and come back out, they feel a real sense of calmness and inner peace that they didn't have before. So what these shapes are is there's 7 different rings, and the 7 rings correspond with the 7 different chakras, which are also correspondent to the 7 main visible planets we can see in the sky, to the 7 colours of the rainbow, to the 7 days of the week. It goes on. The number 7 is a really powerful number in spirituality, and there's 7 different energy types. And obviously, let's just take our chakras. What happens when you walk into the labyrinth and start to work your way inwards? As you're walking through the first ring, that is channeling the energy of the first chakra, and as you walk through, it cleanses, cleans and charges your first chakra, your root chakra. As you keep going and then get into the second ring, you're then cleansing, clearing and charging your sacral chakra, and as you walk through, it continues to work all its way up until every single chakra is fully charged and full of light. So you get to the centre, which is a cross, and this cross is called the Cross of Christ, and this is where the sun sits in this whole reflection of the heavens and the energetic portal. And this here is where you get a download of Christ consciousness. So if you think about it, the whole way in, you've charged every single chakra, and then you get a download of Christ consciousness. It's the same as the Kundalini, like rising. And obviously, if you are eating well and alkaline enough, then your Kundalini, if you've got enough chi, can actually rise, and you can find enlightenment. And this is why they would say the tales about the man and woman going into the middle and finding union. It wasn't a physical thing they did, it was a metaphor for your masculine and feminine aspects of your soul and your psyche, you being in duality, going through the labyrinth, charging up, finding enlightenment, raising your Kundalini whilst you're in the centre, and then finding union, becoming whole, becoming holy,